Vehicle and pedestrian safety on construction sites is crucial. Interaction between vehicles and workers on foot poses critical daily risks. Heavy equipment and trucks share space with pedestrians. Without proper control, this creates high potential for serious accidents. Safe sites are planned, not left to chance. Clear separation between vehicles and pedestrians is essential. Designated vehicle routes control traffic flow. Marked pedestrian walkways provide safe paths for workers, preventing them from crossing into danger zones. Visibility is a key factor for safety. Drivers need clear sight, and workers must stay alert, avoiding blind spots. High visibility clothing, warning signs, and barriers enhance awareness, reducing the risk of unexpected contact. Speed control is equally important. Low, controlled speeds give drivers more reaction time. Preventing collisions, pedestrians must stay within designated paths, avoid shortcuts through active vehicle routes. Supervision and enforcement ensure consistent adherence to safety measures. When rules are respected and roles understood, sites become safer and organized. Safety is about protecting lives, not just rules. Proper planning, awareness, and discipline prevent incidents, creating a work environment where everyone goes home safely.